lots of carbohydrate in form of complex, that too the fiber part is covered by them. Beans and lentils always help us out to complete our protein part, and that too if cereal and pulses come as a combination, then the limitation of certain amino acid is also compensated and we get the first class protein kind of proteins. Then comes vegetables, again phytonutrients and micronutrient deficiencies can be made with them. Seeds and nuts, they help us to get our omega-3 fatty acids and essential fatty acids and oils are covered with that. Fruits again, they are very rich source of antioxidants and phytonutrients. Now, when I say plant-based diet, people have their different apprehensions, conceptions, perceptions, how to take a plant diet. That's what I was saying, that with the help of plant-based origin food, how can we make a plate very nutritious with the help of whole grains, legumes, fruits and vegetables? We have to have importance of including a variety of colors, textures and flavors. You know what? I used to always, I being a vegetarian, but it's not that, my whole family eats non-vegetarian food. But I being vegetarian by choice, I used to always say whenever my patients used to come to me, they say कि मैम वेजिटेरियन खाने में तो वही चीज़ें हैं, वही सब्जी कितनी बार खाएं, नॉन-वेज में देखिए क्या वैरायटी है. तो I used to always think नॉन-वेज में भी तो वही चिकन है, वही लैम्ब है, वही मटन है. How come they always say that non-veg के लिए तो बड़ा अच्छा हमें लगता है कि सब कुछ है और vegetarian घास फूस है. Then I realized that these spices, egg is there, same egg is there, it is made in different kind of combination. The spices add that. So in vegetarian diet also, we have not limited to limited amount of vegetables. If we go to our regional, बहुत सारी वैरायटी है. जो हमारे यहाँ चौलाई है वो महाराष्ट्र में कुछ और है. And then we have to include our spices and we can make it more palatable and tastier. So I feel that vegetable diet gives you more variety to eat with lots of whole Indian spices and can be made more palatable and tastier and variety. Understanding the portion size and the calorie density, as ma'am said earlier, Shilpa Joshi madam also said, portion size matters. Whole concept is about portion size. If I get a diabetic patient and if there is a kid or an elderly person who had been eating throughout his one gulab jamun in a week, and if he comes to me and says कि madam क्या आज से ये बंद करना पड़ेगा, I don't think so. The answer should be no. It is, we have to teach them how to control the portion size, how to make that gulab jamun in his budget, in his calorie budget, and so that he can enjoy. How to make that piece of chocolate in their calorie budget so that they can enjoy. Saying no is not the answer. So same goes here, we have to understand the portion size. It doesn't mean that if vegetables are so good to us, I am going to eat them in bulk. Again, that will cause gas, bloating problem, flatulence. There are other consequences of eating more of the plants and vegetable diet in excess. Similarly, ensuring adequate intake of essential vitamins and minerals, which I will be telling you later. Then navigating fats and oils, whether we are getting the adequate amount of fats and oils or not. We need to take care of that also. So benefit, if we see of plant diet disease-wise. Obesity. In 2006, after reviewing data from 87 published studies, authors reported in Nutrition Review that a vegan or a vegetarian diet is highly effective for weight loss. During the 5 years of study, mean annual weight gain was lowest among individuals who had changed to a diet containing fewer animal food. The study also reported a significant difference in age-adjusted BMI, with the meat eaters having the highest BMI and the vegans having the location is required. That can be achieved with the help of plant-based diet. In cancer also, because we know the animal origin food, there are certain components which are carcinogenic, which we do not found in plants. So that is one thing which can be helped. Mortality rate, as we all know, with the having a vegetarian diet, the mortality rate has also reduced. Then there were, apart from the disease-wise, issues, there were other issues like the global and the cultural issues, environmental effect. We all know carbon footprint lessens down, greenhouse emission gases, that also goes down. We have a very humane behavior with the animal. So these are the other things which are found to be good and beneficial for the society when one goes with the plant-based diets. But then there are limitations. There are limitations where they say that the iron in plant has a lower bioavailability than the iron in meat. However, the American Dietetic Association states that iron deficiency anemia is rare even in individuals who follow a plant-based diet. Vitamin B12, as we all know, most of intrinsic factor and extrinsic factor comes from the animal origin food. Then that also, people say that those who are taking long time, they are taking plant-based diet, they tend to suffer with the deficiency of vitamin B12, vitamin D and calcium. Again, for vitamin D and calcium, as this year we are celebrating millets year, ragi is said to be poor man's milk. Like 1 glass of milk has calcium equivalent to 60 grams of ragi. So people used to, in Uttarakhand side, they call this marwa, and they say garibon ke liye doodh hai. So definitely, if we talk about cauliflower leaves, even they contain good amount of calcium. The only thing is that how we are going to use them and find the palatability in such kind of food. So, should we strictly follow plant-based diet? Should we strictly follow plant-based diet? See, the plant-based diet, like as I told you, we Indians definitely have plant-based diet as a major staple form of our diet. But yes, there is a flexible thing, like nowadays they have come up with a diet which, like they are saying that food in the Anthropocene by the Eat Lancers Commission on Healthy Diets from Sustainable Food System. The study concluded that such a diet would see approximately 35% of calories originating from whole grains and tubers, protein sources provided mainly from plants, and also red meat or chicken limited to an average of 14 grams. And they get adequate amount of calories, proteins, fat and other micronutrients. That is the thing which we need to teach them. So to say that plant-based diet is, it is not going to be there, you have to have egg white so that you get the complete protein. Such kind of notions should not be a preconception in any counselor's mind. Be it a physician or a dietitian, we should not sit with such kind of notions. A plant-based diet is not an all or nothing program, but a way of life that is tailored to each individual. As I told you, the future of healthcare will involve an evolution toward paradigm where the prevention and treatment of disease is centered not on a pill or surgical procedure, but on physicians should feel confident recommending such a diet to their patients and supporting this choice when a patient expresses interest. Believe in mindful eating. By being mindful of our eating habits and nurturing our emotional well-being, we can experience a greater sense of balance, joy and fulfillment in our life. Because food is not only meant for the body, it's a fuel for your mental health, your emotional health, for your happy quotient. We all know that our kids know how to show their anger and tantrum through food and how to bribe them through food. So you can understand that food is so important. So we have to make a balance. It is not that we can go against the animal source food or the vegetable source food, but it is just that we have to have a foresighted vision and see what kind of diet is actually going to save my life, my family's life and my planet's life. So this is all the message which I have. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Eat only 1 calorie. And most of us don't eat even dal in the evening.
Yeah, that's the only thing which I was wanting to say. Like plant source protein, we only see dal and pulses as a source of protein, which is a wrong habit. If I take cereal and pulse combination, the limiting amino acids in the cereals are fulfilled by the pulses, and the limiting amino acids of pulses are fulfilled by the cereals. So the traditional way of eating, as our grandmothers or grannies used to do, कि सत्तू का पराठा सुबह आपको देते थे, या आपको दाल का पराठा देते थे, या we have that furry.
प्लांट का कंसेप्ट अच्छा है।
Save the
rather than
planet.
cookies,
Yes.
अभी आप लखनऊ नहीं पहुँचे।
हाँ नहीं, मैं नाम तो देते ही जा रही हूँ।
तभी तो वो plants
हाँ,
के रखे हैं speakers के।
And it looks good enough to eat.
Yes.
चलिए सर ग्रुप फोटो।
and make the moment more prestigious.
प्लांट की
देखिए
वैल्यू बढ़
कितने
गई यार।
फोटोग्राफर्स आ गए हैं देखिए।
प्लांट की वैल्यू बढ़ गई आपके।
फोटोग्राफर्स देखिए।
Picture is glorified. नहीं वैल्यू एडिशन हो गया ना ऋषि के आने से।
अरे प्रोफेसर चंद्रा को बुला रहे सर।
सर आइए।
सर हम लोग की शान है। आई सर।
डेफिनेटली सर प्लीज
हाँ सर। Men will be met.
goes without saying. It is